Are you looking for a tool to export AOL PFC files to Office 365 without any data loss or modification? We brings the best solution for you. SysTools AOL PFC Converter Software. Our software lets you migrate AOL PFC files to Office 365 with and without impersonation option. Now let's check out the main features. The software lets you migrate AOL to Office 365 with or without impersonation option. Allows to move data to multiple mailboxes within Office 365 account. Supports all the AOL desktop versions and migrates PFC file emails created by the AOL desktop versions. Also lets you filter PFC files according to a selected date range. Now let's check out the prerequisites. Admin account of Office 365 must be impersonated. Also, admin account of Office 365 must have E3 license assigned. You must be able to access OAuth for admin. Watch till the end of this video to find impersonation video link. Now let's install and run the software. The home screen welcomes you with a user-friendly interface. You can click Add File button from the top navigation menu to add file. Now you can see a small window appears. Here can see option to select the file path. You can click the button from the Select File field to select a desired PFC file saved on your system. After choosing the desired file, click Open button. Now from the Temp Folder Path field, you can change the file path if needed. And below there is the Advanced Scan checkbox option. You can select this option if the selected file is highly corrupted. You can uncheck this option if it is not required. After that, click Add File. The application will now scan the file. Click OK after the scanning completes successfully. Now you can see the folder list will appear on the left side. Again, you can add more files into the application by clicking the Add File button. Then select the file from the saved location on your system and click Open button. Then click Add File button and click OK. Now the selected file will be loaded into the application. Now let's check out the Export option. Click Export button from the top navigation menu. With this option, you can export single or multiple folders. Now you can see the Export option window appears with different options to export files into different file formats. Now let's check out the Office 365 option and see how to export AOL PFC file into a single or multiple Office 365 account. From the folder list on the left, you can check single or multiple folders to export. Then click Advanced Settings button to see the Office 365 settings option. Let's choose the General Settings option first. You can select Date Filter checkbox to filter mails according to specified date interval. Let's select the Office 365 settings option. You can leave this field blank to export files into a single account without impersonation. To migrate files into multiple mailboxes, the admin account of Office 365 must be impersonated. You have to select the User Impersonation checkbox if you choose to export with impersonation option. Clicking on the link provided here will redirect you to a web page showing the method of impersonation. After impersonating the Office 365 admin account, you can enter the admin user credentials in the respective field options below. Then click Save button to save the settings. Now the software will validate the account, and after successful validation, click OK button. The user can export AOL PFC files using two options. Enter Destination Mailbox option lets you export files into a single account. To choose this option, you have to enter the valid Office 365 ID credentials in the next page. And the next option is to provide destination Office 365 accounts from a CSV file. Choose this option if you are having multiple mailboxes to export. By clicking the Auto-Generate CSV link, the software provides an option to save the CSV file. After that, click Save button to save the CSV file, then click OK. Now let's open the auto-generated CSV file and see the format of adding user ID credentials. Here you can see the file path in the first column, source mailbox name in the second, and in the third column, you need to provide destination SMTP address of Office 365 mailboxes. And if you are using with impersonation option, then there is no need to provide password in this column. Otherwise you have to enter the password. Now you can save the CSV file. Now you can click Browse button to select the CSV file with the user credentials from the location in which you have saved the file. Click Open after selecting the file. Below you can see the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option, selected by default. After selecting the desired options, you can click Next button to proceed further. Now the software will validate each mailboxes entered in the CSV file. Then click Export button to start exporting. After the exporting process completes, click OK. Now the Export Report window appears, and click Save button to save the CSV file. After that, click Save button and click OK. Then click Cancel to close Export Report window and click Yes to close the application. Now let's see how to perform the selective export. After loading the desired files into the application, you can select any folder, then the mails from the selected folder will appear. Then you can select the mails to export by checking the box option. Then right-click on any mail of your choice and click Export button. Now the Export option window appears. Then select the Office 365 option. Now click Advanced Settings button to enter the details according to the requirements, as shown in the main export option. And in the username field, enter admin SMTP address of Office 365 account. And click Validate button to validate the mailbox. If using the Without Impersonation option, provide the username and password of Office 365 account. And click Validate button. After that, click Export button to export the files. Now let's check out the output files of the main export. Open the destination Office 365 account with the user credentials, and you can see the migrated data in hierarchical order. You saw the method of migrating AOL PFC file into an Office 365 account. Hope you enjoyed the video. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.